We want to make this shine. It's glass. It's one of the easiest splashbacks to clean. Alright. Just to mostly dishwashing liquid, give it a wash. I'll show you a cheap glass. But if there's any fat spots on there that won't come off that easily, that's the only reason I've really got a jiff in the scatter. It doesn't look like it. I think it'll be fine. So as I said, this dishwashing liquid spray. Give it a spray. Now, when you're doing a splashback, it's a good time to double check under the cupboards as well. All we're going to do is wash it with a wet microfiber cloth. Now, you wouldn't see the fat on this colour very well, but you'll feel it, right? So you feel it when you're using the cloth, and there's none on here, which is great. So it's really just going to be a wash and dry. So I'll just check up here. That's good, happy with that. So, ordinarily, if I'm getting lazy, I'll just use a glass scraper and just go straight along. It's glass, just makes it easy. Right, the alternative, just some sort of glass cleaner. I don't really care which one. Just spray it on, dry it with a nice spray cloth. Just let that dry up. As it dries, I'll be able to see if there's any extra streaks, so I can always touch it up if I need to. The other way to do is just get a totally fresh cloth and just go over and just double check. But we'll let that dry. In the meantime, we'll get to the stove top.
There you have it. If you think this video is good stuff, please tap the like button and share it with your friends. If you have a question or you just want to say hi, whack it in the comments below and I'll get to them ASAP. Of course, I'd love you to join me on this journey. Just tap on that face with the green circle to subscribe. That way, when you need good cleaning advice, it'll be easy to find. Here's a couple more videos to check out. Thank you for watching and good luck with your cleaning.